Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. As you see, we got the animals here. It's a little dirty over here, but yeah, it's snowy. It's really cold. You got to take care of it yet. You hear the background noise. It's a tractor here. Just drop off a new bale for these babies. You see, they're hungry. They're gonna eat. Yeah, it's beautiful. Love it. It's not that cold today, but it is cold. We have these big boys in here as well. Come on, Dorsey. You can do it. Come on. Yeah, they're hungry. They were without a hay bale since this morning, and now it's around 4 o'clock in the afternoon. And yeah, they're hungry, but they're not skinny. They are still a good weight. So yeah, I'm gonna finish it up here. It's going to be a short video, but yeah, you can see the sunset here. The sun goes down here in northern Alberta very early in the winter time. So yeah, this is the cow barn. You see it's all messy. You need to clean it out, but it's so cold, it's all frozen, cannot really clean it out. And that's a goat barn there. Just have a doggy door there. That's where the little ones goes in. But yeah, it's all covered with snow right now. Can't really see anything, but let's walk around. We have some pigs over here as well. I haven't seen them for quite some time now, so let me see if they're eating. Boys just give them food. How are you doing? Yeah, how are you doing? Hey Max, do you have some friends here or what? Yeah, you make friends with the pigs, eh? Beautiful. Yeah. Some friends with the pigs here. Yeah. My son and my daughter, they took over these animals to feed them every time. So, yeah. We do have another salt block over in the yard there. We gotta bring it over here. It's melting over there, so yeah, they like it. They lick on it. Just give them grain. Now they are all tucked into that hay bale there. You see them babies eating. They love it. Alright, it's going to be a short video, but yeah, let's finish it up. I will just drop the bale and go on my day. It's Saturday here, so that's the biggest one we have. Is it good? Yeah, it is good, right? Alright, I might need two hands here, but let me see. Gonna drop it slowly. There they have it. Beautiful. Yeah, I'm waiting for summer to get this all cleaned out and let the goats eat foraging. That's what they like to do. We just built this fence last summer here. It's not perfect, but there's a fence. Animals stay in. Are you going to close the gate? All right. Thank you. That's the house. You have a little over 3 acres here for those few animals, I think. We haven't finished up the back there yet. We will finish that too, and then they will be able to eat there as well. Beautiful, beautiful. It's really beautiful here. Alright, that's gonna do it for today for these animals that we just fed up. Let me zoom in a little bit. You might be able to see the highway there. We live right on highway here. It's quite of a busy highway. That's beautiful. It's quite cold, but it's still beautiful. You see the sunset there again. Beautiful sunset. Really beautiful. And this is our chicken coop here. We're trying to work on it. We'll fix that in the summer. It's too cold right now in the winter time here. Can't do much. It's just really cold. So my hand is frozen by now. In the summertime you will see a beautiful pond here if everything goes as planned, Lord willing. And yeah, we got some fish, beautiful goldfish. We'll put them out there again. Hey, it's cold enough?
Yeah?
Yeah, it's actually not too bad today, eh?
Not as cold as it used to be.
Yeah. Minus 47, minus 50, it's cold enough, eh?
Yeah. Even minus 30.
Yeah. Where are you going? Oh, thank you. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up. These are the rabbit coops here. Had some rabbits here. The other one, the other day we saw a baby in there and it died. I think it's too cold. We have a heating bulb in there that's not that cold in there, but yeah, I don't know why it would. I think it just froze to death. I don't know. These are the cats. Meow, meow. No cats in there. This is our dog, Max. You saw him over by the pegs there. He made some friends over there. He loved those pegs, which is good, I think. And he is a good watchdog sometimes. Yeah, I guess now it's all the time. He wasn't before, so he learned a lot. My son, he trained him pretty good, so. Okay, let's wrap it up. If you like this content, please like, share, and subscribe if you want to. And then see you later. Thank you.